Here in this video, I will give you an expo, more like those topics that we are sure that WAEC will set questions from. So just pay attention to this, the following topics I'm going to mention. As you are reading, focus your attention on this topic. There's no need reading what will not come out. These are the topics that are contained in WAEC syllabus. These are the topics that will certainly come out. By the way, there are section A and section B of your WAEC. You know, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1, like you know, will be just objective. Then paper 2 will be theory. Theory will have section A and section B for government, if you are writing government. So section A will be elements of government. Section B will be political and constitutional development in West Africa and international relations. I'm giving you what will come out. By the way, if you want me to send you this material to you so that you can pay attention and study them, just subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you also want me to send you your timetable, this syllabus, past questions on government, and any other subjects, do 3 things. Like this video now, immediately. Subscribe to this YouTube channel right now. Then come under this video and tell me that you have subscribed. Let's go into the topics. Number 1 topic is meaning and scope of the subject matter. That is meaning and scope of government. The 3 areas that we set question on is government as an institution of the state, government as a process or art of governing, government as an academic field of study. This thing will come out. Number 2 topic to focus on is basic concept and principles of government. Things like power, authority, legitimacy, sovereignty, democracy, political culture, cultural socialization, communalism, socialism, communism, capitalism, feudalism, fascism, Nazism, totalitarianism, society, state, and nation, colonialism and nationalism. These things I'm saying, you may not be getting them. When you subscribe, just tell me you're subscribed. I can send you this thing. I can send it to you so that you pay more attention to them. Basic principles of government, more rule of law, fundamental human rights, separation of power, checks and balances, constitutionalism, political participation, representative government, centralization and decentralization, delegated legislation, devolution of power, deconcentration. Pay attention to these things and read them up. Another topic that will come out is constitution. Both definition and sources of constitution, scope of constitution, types of constitution like written constitution, unwritten constitution, rigid and flexible constitution, then functions of constitution. Then another topic to focus on for government. Remember, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Like this video, then come under this video and tell me you're subscribed. And types and forms of government. The area that they want you to focus on is unitary government, federal government, confederal government, presidential and non-parliamentary government, parliamentary government or cabinet, monarchical and republican forms of government. Another area is organs of government. Of course, there are 3 organs of government: the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. So you are expected to study them. Okay? Both their types, their structure, their composition, their membership, their function, their power, and their limitation for all 3 of them. That is for executive, legislature, and judicial. Another topic to focus on is citizenship. Status of citizenship, rights, duties, obligations of individuals in the state. If you want to join our study group, we have an online study group on WhatsApp. What you just need to do is like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, then come under this video and tell me you want to join our study group where you will get all the help you need. We have the electoral process as another topic, meaning, types, and suffrage, purposes of election, organizations of election, features of free and fair election, stages of election, types and characteristics of electoral systems, electoral commission, roles and duties of electoral commissions, problems, organizations and characteristics. Another topic is pressure groups and public opinion. So you need to know definition of pressure groups, types of pressure group, characteristics and modes of operation and functions of pressure groups. Another topic is public opinion, definition, formation, measurement and functions. Another topic is public administration, definition of public administration, service, civil service, meaning, structure, characteristics and functions. So just go to your government textbook, look up these topics I am mentioning. All of them are important. Then Public and Civil Service Commission, composition and function, public corporations, local governments, meaning, types, purposes, functions, sources of revenue, control, problems and reforms. Now we'll come to section B. Consider development in West Africa and international relations. So section A under this political and constitutional development in West Africa, international relations. So we have the structural organization of the following: Nigeria, Hausa Fulani, the Yoruba and the Igbo; Ghana, Sierra Leone, the Gambia, depending on your country; Liberia, depending on your country. Colonial administration. Under this topic, reasons for colonialization, the policy and structure of British colonial administration, the policy of French colonial administration, chieftaincy during the colonial period. Nationalism in West Africa. So you have to study nationalism, specifically nationalism before the Second World War, meaning, features and factors. Nationalism after the Second World War, factors, growth and effects. Just study up these things. Consider development in candidates in specific countries. So study up constitutional development in your own country. If you are studying in Nigeria, if you are writing WAEC in Nigeria, basically study Clifford Constitution, that is 1922, Richard's Constitution 1946, McPherson Constitution 1951, and Littleton. There are many other constitutions, but this is the one that WAEC said they will set from. If you are in Ghana, study Clifford Constitution, Gojebek Constitution, Bonds Constitution, Adam Clark Constitution, and the Kwame Nkrumah Constitution. If you're in Sierra Leone, basically study Selector Constitution, Stevenson Constitution, Brentford State Constitution, and the Constitution of 1956 and 1958 Constitution. If you're not getting what I'm saying, when you subscribe, tell me to send you this syllabus and I'll send it to you. Then, if you're in Gambia, study 1947, 1951, 1954, 1960, 1962, 1963 constitutions. Then post-independent constitutions, like in Nigeria, independent constitution, republican constitution, and all the rest. Study it all for your own country. Development of major political parties in your country. If you are in Nigeria, if you are in Ghana, if you are in Sierra Leone. In fact, under the comment section, tell me the country you are writing your exam from. It will help me to better guide you. Military rule in your country: Nigeria, Ghana, Sierra Leone, the Gambia, and Liberia. Federal and unitary system of government in West Africa: factors, structures, features, and problems. Foreign policies of your country, both in Nigeria and your own country. International organizations. No matter your country, irrespective of your country, WAEC expects you to study the United Nations Organization, the Organization of African Unity, OAU, the Commonwealth, the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS. You need to study these 4 organizations. They will ask you questions on it. Organization of United Nations Organization, OAU, Commonwealth, and ECOWAS. Study their origin, study their aims and objectives, study their organizational structure, study their functions, achievements, and problems. Remember, like I said, anytime if you need any help, any material, any help in any way, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come under this comment and tell me you are subscribed. Ask me any question concerning your WAEC and your government examination, and I and my team will be here to guide you.